All right. So I just want to demo one thing today. Okay. So we got a one prototype working last time. Okay. So that was our app. Pretty nice. We used like three classes to finish it, including the first one. We did a lot of design and setup. So it's really like 3 hours, okay, to get this app done. Pretty complete and it's all connected to the backend. Okay. So I want to show you how to publish this one into Google Play. Okay. We'll work on Google first. So do the publishing, you need to have an account first. Okay. So here I'll just sign in to go to Google Play console. And we have one account. I can also invite you guys to here, but you should also be able to build your own account, and it takes $25, okay, for the lifetime, so you can publish as many you can. So it's official account. All right, so go here, and then you should be able to start or create an app, okay, and then we'll call this $5 lunch, okay, and then this is an app, and then this is for free, and check all this agreement, and then create the app. All right. Once you have the app done, then you're gonna fill up a lot of information and upload your app eventually. Okay, so Google Play, I think they've been changing this one frequently, so we will follow their guide to do it. All right, so they have some of the things. They want to start your testing first. Okay, so this is the new thing that they want you to identify the testers so that you can go through with our review. So we're gonna skip this one because this is a difficult part. They want to get a 100 internal testers. Okay, I'm gonna skip this one for now, and then instead I'm gonna go ahead and set up that. So there are a lot of things to set it up. So let's actually follow this one by one. Okay, so set a privacy policy. Okay, so this one is that the any kind of app that has this privacy policy. Okay, so it's a URL. There's one tool you can use is that you can always generate the privacy policy generator. Okay, there are a lot of this kind of tools. I'll just go ahead to choose one, and I forgot which one I was using. I'll just try to get one and see if this one works. $5 lunch, individual, California. And the next step, email, first name, last name, and nothing else. No. Oh, yeah, I probably will just go with all these choices. All right, so let's see the link. Yeah, so they can actually create this sample privacy policy. You can always use AI to generate it. Okay, so I'm gonna put it here. So that's one thing. Okay, so that actually been saved. Let's just go to the dashboard. We'll follow the things here, the app access. Yeah, so that should be always available. Just save it. I'll finish the next one. And we'll go back to the dashboard. There's an ad setting. Yeah, we don't have an ads. Just save that one. And the next one is a content reading. I just finished the questionnaire. Okay, so this is other kind of things. No. Yeah, I'm gonna just check those. right, finish that one too. Target audience. Yeah, we don't do finance features. Nothing really with health. Select a category. Where is the food, maybe? Right. The last one is the store listing. Okay, this is probably the part that you need to do most. And short description, a campers app that allows you to find the food budget. Okay, so you can obviously do more. Just use AI to help expand the app description below. Okay, so we're gonna copy this one here. All right, so they will start to collect some of the information from the app. They need the icon, they need the feature graphic, they need the video. Video is optional, and then you need to provide some screenshots. Okay, we actually need to work on that one. They also need to provide a tablet or those. So this is the part that take a little bit of time. So we need to go back to finalize a lot of things. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to my app. All right, so um, we are about to send the app to Google Play for publishing. Please finalize all the items for Google publishing. Right. So normally you go to the uh, there's a document talk about what to do for publishing, but here let's see what they know. Let's see if we can simplify this process. All right, we can also try to generate the icon. You can always use AI to generate it. or we use AI to generate. Okay, I'm gonna use Gemini. Generate a cool app icon for my called $5 next. Please generate the icon file in PNG with the icon only, not the background. So this is nicer, but I don't know. This image isn't quite right. Um, generate a 512 by 512 image with the icon taking the full area of the image without any background art. Right. We'll use that image first. To be safe, let's not do the please generate the icon without wrong corners, just a square. This image generation, yeah, remove the border background. Let the image take the whole area. Let's see if this one works. All right. Oh, they have a tool that helps you to actually edit the image. This is nice. Okay. Just all right. So that's one. And then they want to do the feature graphics. Okay, feature graphics is kind of image that shows the kind of uh like the background about the app. Okay, I'm also going to use this one. Okay, now generate a feature graphics image for Google Publishing. Okay, this one here, they're just building and verifying all the files. There's something wrong with the build process, but we'll see if they can fix it. Okay, so we'll skip this part. All right, so this is pretty nice. Let me do this one. Okay, so go back to store, do this one here. Right, so save that. Okay, so they need at least two screenshots. Actually, let's try this one. I'm gonna go here. This is one. That's another one. We can do some more. Another one. Another one. I'll go to provide this four. For tablet. I don't know if we can use the same thing, but let me just go ahead and try it. All right, looks like we can. And then this one, let's also use the same one. Okay, so that makes it easy. So this Chromebook, we don't need it. XR don't need it. All right. Yeah, in that case, this section is done. I go to the dashboard. So yeah, looks like we'll finish the whole thing. I think that's the most difficult part. Okay, now let's see what else. The testing So release, select countries. Okay, just add countries. Well, we can do everyone. Will be easier. And select testers. All right, so okay, so it looks like we have some of the groups. Let me try to select all of them. All right, and then here is where you're gonna submit for the file, okay, for the actual app file. So let's see if they finished building this one. Oh, so it looks like we need to configure some keys. All right, so they also mentioned about the icon, those. All right. So let's see. I have the icon file ready. Let's actually get our icon file. Mm, please use this icon for the also please guide me to set up the keys needed. All right, so let's watch the summaries. So okay, so they do want us to actually run this. Okay, so it looks like they want us to place the files. Since- All right, so they want us to put the file here and to name it as app icon. All right, so the file is please go ahead to run it. All right, so they want us to run all the commands to generate the key pair. Um, I'm wondering if they can actually help us to run all the steps for us. Hmm. Please run all of these commands with the same password. We'll provide a password called like a CPP 7 CS. Actually, we'll do CS 4750 CPP. Let's see if they can run all of this. Previously, you need to do all the key setup. Hopefully, this one can simplify all the process.
What is that password to?
So right now what we're trying to do is to build that file for you to upload to the Android, but then you need to assign that file, like the build file with this like a private key and everything. Yeah. It looks like they can run it. So this command called Flutter build app bundle dash that release. That one is trying to generate that one file, which is the AAB file. All right, let's see. Okay, so they created key store, configured, and okay, so it's still blocked. So it looks like it's not generated correctly. Let's go here. So if you got correctly, you will have the results in build. And should be the app outputs, the bundle release. Well, that one already generated. So I don't know what they are still asking to change. Wait, let's see. There looks like there's still something wrong. Right, so it looks promising. There. Okay, so it looks like it's all done. Let's go through the summary. So they fixed all of this. They generate this final file, which is AAB file, and yeah, ready for upload. So what you do is you go here, you go to uh, a release. Let me see, not this one. Okay, so all right, and then upload that file. Okay, which is coming from uh, this. This actually should be this one. This is the final bundle release, and this one. Wait, this is not a latest. Let me see if there is something else. What is generated? Okay, let's make sure I use the right one. So outputs bundle release, it is that one. So that's the one people are gonna download from the store. All right, looks good. And we're gonna save it next. All right, there's a warning. We can just ignore that and save. Go to review, overview. Oh, they're checking some other issues. There's one issue. All right, let's see. So incomplete advertising ID declaration. For targeting say 13 or later are required to let us know if the app uses advertising ID. Okay, let's complete. We did it. Okay. Okay, so send this one to review. All right, so they're gonna check a lot of the things. All right, so looks like they're just doing the automated Google review. Okay, so let's just wait and currently under review. All right, so we'll wait here. Okay, so while we're waiting, I also want to test running this one with the iOS emulator. Okay, now I want to test and run this app in an iPhone emulator. All right, see if that one can work. So that way we can get ready for the iOS publishing. Oh, so they start both iPhone and iPad. All right, so this review is in process. And let's go back to the dashboard to see if anything else. So this one is under review. Um, Sometimes it takes half day, sometimes take a couple days. All right. To real users. So we're not on the production yet. Okay, so let's see. Let's see if we can create those. Well, I think we're sending a testing release. I think we should probably do a final production release. Okay, so we already have one. So this should be the final one. Okay, once this review is done, then we can try to publish that. Okay. But anyway, so if you follow the whole step, it should be very straightforward. Okay. So any luck here? All right, so it looks like this is still running for the build. I think they're still building. Oh, okay. So that's why we create a testing build first, and then now this is the production. You might be able to do the production directly. Okay. All right. So anyway, we'll come back to see the status. But yeah, if everything went through, it will be verified, and then you probably need to click one more button to publish. It's just one click and to get it to the store. Okay. Yeah, it's not too complicated for follow the steps. The official Flutter publishing you can find out here, build and release now. This actually talk about the whole steps. Okay, the keys and everything, but Codex looks like they can do most of this a lot better than before. Okay. All right. And then for the iOS, looks like still building. Oh, no, that actually never mind. Actually getting started. So this is iOS version. Some of the UI to fix. Okay. Um, You can do order, and then you can do sign up, login. Yeah, so that's the nice part about using Flutter. Okay, you have um, the same kind of UI just with one coding. Okay, so we just want to fix a little bit here. Okay, so in the home screen, list list view, some of the items such as rice and noodle. Has an overflowed pixel error due to the long text below the food title and pricing. Please fix that. Okay, let's see if that fix it. Rerun it out. Nope. Rerun the yeah, iOS. All right, so this is under review. I'm gonna close the Android because we don't need this anymore. Okay. All right, nice. So they fixed that UI issue. So this is good to go. All right. Publishing the app to Apple requires Apple account, the developer account. Okay, so that part, I probably leave that in the future because most of you probably don't have that one. I would suggest you go to the Google first. Okay, I'll write down a requirements on the publishing. This time I do suggest everyone try that as early as you can. We have our account you can use, or I highly suggest you just go ahead and sign up your own Google Play account. Leave your app there and it will be a very good record to have. Okay. Yeah. So it's really much more efficient now with four kind of classes with all those things done. Okay. And also the app is fairly complicated. All right. So the next couple of weeks, okay, definitely start working on yours as soon as you can. Okay. Get a version and then launch it. All right. Let me know if you have any questions.